So that's set out in the Children Act of 1989, and there's a particular checklist within that statute which is known as the welfare checklist. And that welfare checklist outlines the key considerations that any judge or court has to take into account when making decisions to do with a child, whether that's to do with where the child should live, how often they should see the other parent, any aspects to do with their schooling, their education, their health, anything at all to do with the child has to be factored into that welfare checklist. So it's a very precise area of law. So although the courts and the judges will take other factors into account, it's not really a situation where parents can just turn up to court and say, well, I take the view that father's not been doing this, or father takes the view that mother's, done X, Y, and Z. It's not based on that. It will be factored in, but the law has to be followed, and that's the most important aspect. So if there's been a court order already issued, so they've already gone through the process of court proceedings and there's been a decision granted by the judge, and then one side isn't following it, again, parents can often be very tempted to take the rush decision of just immediately going back to court to enforce that order.